Bonjour. In this unit, we are going to learn how to describe the house. And remember, when you say house in French, it's ma maison. The second phrase below the title says, dans ma maison il y a pièces. That is to help you indicate how many rooms are found in your house. Say you have 2 rooms in your house, you say, dans ma maison il y a 2 pièces. Now, in the next slide, we are going to learn how to identify different parts of the house. So you have to listen to the French word and repeat it. Le grenier, the attic. La cheminée, the chimney. La chambre, the bedroom. La salle de bain, the bathroom. Le salon, the living room or sitting room. La salle à manger, the dining room. La cave, the wine cellar, and found at the underground floor. Le bureau, the office or study. La cuisine, the kitchen. We have another bedroom. Remember we said that bedroom is la chambre. And then outside, l'arbre, the tree. Le jardin, that is the garden. And then on this next slide, we are going to learn how to describe the bedroom. Ma chambre, my bedroom. Les rideaux, the curtains. Le mur, the wall. Un tableau, a painting or a framed picture. Une étagère, a shelf. Une lampe, a lamp. Une lampe de chevet, side table, lamp. Une table de nuit, side table. Un lit, a bed. Un drap, sheets. Un oreiller, pillow. Un couvre-lit, bed cover. Un coussin, a cushion. Un tapis, a carpet. Un tiroir, a drawer. And here, un bureau means desk. Une chaise, chair. So, say you are asked to describe your bedroom. You would say, dans ma chambre, il y a. And then you list the things that are in your room. Dans ma chambre, il y a un lit, a bed, for an example. And then to mention what you do in the bedroom, you would say, dans ma chambre, je dors. Now, in this slide, we are going to learn the different pieces of furniture found in the sitting room. Le salon, sitting room. We are going to look at a few that are important. We're not going to go over all of them. Un canapé, a couch. Un fauteuil, armchair. Une télévision, TV. Un meuble télé, TV stand. Une fenêtre, avec rideau, a window with curtains. So the noun window is une fenêtre. Une porte, door. Une table à manger, dining table. Une chaise, chair. Une cheminée, a chimney. Une étagère, a shelf. Une porte-manteau, a coat hanger. Une horloge, a watch, a wall watch. Now in this slide, we are in the la salle de bain, which is the bathroom. So we are also going to identify a few, not all. Une douche, a shower. Une baignoire, bathtub. Une cabine de douche, shower cabinet. Une fenêtre avec rideau, we have seen it before, a window with curtains. Une porte, door. Un lavabo, bathroom sink. Des toilettes, toilets. Un miroir, mural, wall mirror. Une armoire can be a wardrobe or a cupboard. Un tapis de douche, that is a carpet for the shower. Un étendoir à serviette, a towel dryer. So, for the bathroom activity, you will say, dans la salle de bain, je me lave. Now, in this slide, we have la cuisine, dans la cuisine, in the kitchen. We are going to identify a few items of the kitchen. We'll start with le réfrigérateur. So you can say le réfrigérateur or le frigo to refer to the fridge. And then we have le robinet, which is the tap. And then we have la cuisinière, which is the stove, le four à micro-ondes, the microwave, les placards, the cupboards, les tiroirs, the shelves, le robot being the mixer. And then we have here un verre for glass, une assiette for plate, un couteau for knife, une tasse for a cup. And for the kitchen, you say, dans la cuisine, je prépare le repas. In the kitchen, I prepare meals. Moving on to the next slide, which is le jardin, dans le jardin, in the garden. For the gardening activity, you say, dans le jardin, je nage. In the garden, I swim, for example, is one of the possible activities that you can do in the garden. Now we are going to identify the different elements that can be found in the garden. Le toboggan, the slide, l'oiseau, a bird, la balançoire, a swing, la barbecue, l'arbre, a tree, la fleur, flower. So this is just to help you with identify a few things of the house. Merci beaucoup pour votre attention.